Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos on PC. So the first thing I want you to do is just identify the video that you want to download. Then you open it up. What I'll do, I'll get one from our channel. Let's say for example this video, I'll open this up. And what you want to basically do, once the video loads up, I want you to just go ahead and scroll down. Okay. And then I want you to click on this download icon right here. Okay, I want you to click on this and it will ask you what quality you want. Now for these higher qualities you do need premium. Okay, I'll just get the low quality version. Usually many videos do offer 360p, 480p as well, and then you just go ahead and click on download and it will start downloading the video automatically on your browser. So as you can see right now it is downloading it. And as soon as it is done, we'll have the MP4 file. So there you go. It has been downloaded. And you can also view that right there. You can just click on view. And then you'll see it in your downloads. So if you want to access it easier, you click here, the top left on the three horizontal lines. Click here on downloads and the video will be right here. Okay? And it will be on your device as well. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.